rabbit just came out of nowhere. Right guys, welcome to Stef ABtv. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for plenty of automotive content. Today we are in the BMW M2 and I've been kindly invited down by BMW UK to test drive the BMW M2 plus the 140i plus an M4. So we are in our own cars, which is absolutely fantastic. That just sounded absolutely mean. So this will be my first ever drive of the BMW M2. So I'm keen to see what it's like. We're at Bedford Autodrome. I've got my own BMW M2. It looks absolutely stunning. Let's see what it's like to drive. First thing that I notice about the BMW M2 is this beautiful steering wheel and instrument clutter in front of me, and the sound of that exhaust sounds pretty fantastic. The paddle shifts feel very comfortable as well, like they've got a nice click to it. Like, hear that? And the rev matching, I can see this is going to be fun. I like the fact that it's a smaller length wheelbase, it's a smaller wheelbase than the likes of the M4 and the M3. I like the fact that it's almost, it's like a baby powerhouse. Yeah, these brakes really bite, and that rev match, the crisp tone of that exhaust note on the M2, I love it. And now we come. And those gear changes, they're like thunderbolts. They just kick you. Now to the S-bend. Oh wow. The thing is with this car, it just makes you want to drive fast, which here is fine, completely fine. We're on a private road, we're on a circuit effectively. On the public road, I'd be too scared to really plant this because it encourages naughtiness. Yeah, this listen to that sound. This feels like a proper M car. And I've had two E46 M3s, but what they've done now with these engines and BMW are just making me really smile. I mean, look at this, 70 mile an hour turn in with ease, 85 miles an hour, slowing down for the corner. The thing with this car, and I'm rambling a little bit, but quite frankly I don't care because I'm having such a great time. The thing with this car, that exhaust note, you can never get bored of that note. Listen. Oh man. On the brakes, downshift again. That rev match. And then the pull out. It just wants to keep giving. I mean, we're doing lap after lap after lap, and each time I feel more. I feel more and more confident in this thing. A little bit squeaky bump time around that corner though, but the rev matching, it's so crisp. Oh yes, it's a German grunt. What a car. Now I realise that this isn't probably the review that most of you guys are expecting to see on this channel for this car, but this is plain and simply an opportunity that I've been given by BMW to basically rag an M2 around a track, and if you were me, would you decline it? No. holding me in and hugging me. They're so comfortable. The cabin is beautiful. This dash it looks classy. The steering wheel, the feel of the steering wheel, the pedals, it's just, you feel really connected with the car. And the noise is the pinnacle for me. That's where it peaks. And my word, is this car fun. Right, so in summary, what do I think? Fun factor is right up there. Performance is right up there. Sound, well, you tell me, is right up there. And my word, those are the three things that you need in a car: sound, performance, and looks. And this little car, it's not that little, but this car has it all. I don't know if you just saw that. I almost killed a rabbit. The one positive with it allowed me to drop back a bit and really plant the car. But that rabbit just came out of nowhere. I think you get a lot of car for this price tag. I don't even know how much these are second hand, but it's tempting.
Okay, again, drivers, can you just follow me in the pit lane, park directly behind me. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the drive.
I did indeed. It was a brilliant drive. Right, let's park up and let's summarise. Yeah, again, if I could describe this car in one word, it would be awesome. And I'm not even joking. It would literally be awesome. But guys, that's the end of this kind of first look, or first drive even, for the BMW M2. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Again, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Follow me over here on Instagram for more pre-YouTube content. Loads of car stuff on this channel. So yeah, smash the like button, comment below, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.